The Power of Foam line from Dakota Ag Innovations has a new and exciting way to clean aluminum with ease. Using the Power of Foam cleaning system and our Brite Plus stained and oxidized aluminum cleaner, you can now use foam to clean aluminum trailers, components, and accessories. Using one of our foaming units in our proprietary foaming solution, simply foam and rinse. It's the easiest way to clean with the added benefit of cutting pressure washing time significantly, saving time, money, and expense. Safe to use around engine and battery compartments and its electronic components. Filling and using the Power of Foam cleaning system is super easy. Great for cleaning equipment and aluminum components large and small. The Power of Foam system in our Brite Plus aluminum cleaner is fast, effective, and proven by rental and heavy equipment companies worldwide. Using the Power of Foam cleaning system will help to make your work and rental equipment cleaning easier and much more efficient.